All right, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a step counter that's going to apply what we've learned about variables and what we've learned about sensors together. So we're going to fuse those together. So let's start a new project. Let's call it step counter. And you'll actually be able to attach this to your shoe and walk around and get this code. So the first thing we want to do is click on variables. Remember, variables container that's storing the information that we're going to utilize in our code. In this case, what do we want to store? We want to store how many steps we're taking. So I'm just going to call this step. Okay. Now, when do we want our steps to go up? Well, we're going to use the shake feature. And what we're hoping to do is the shake of the microbit on every step will just keep adding one to our step counter. So to do that, every time it shakes, we'll go to variable and we'll change step and we'll make it go up by 1. Now here's the thing. If you're taking a lot of steps really quickly, it may not be able to keep track on your screen. It might just lag a little bit. It'll still function. But to stop that lag, what we can do is go to LED, click on More, and just click Stop Animation. And what that does is it just tries, like once you get to the next one, it stops the last one it goes. So it won't lag as much if you add this. You don't need to add it, but I think it'll be helpful. So when we start our code, we want to make sure that we are setting our steps to 0. So at the very start, it starts at 0. And every time we take a step, wrong number. Every time we take a step, we want to show that it's gone up 1. So we'll do show number, but instead of number, we'll say show our step. So this is a pretty simple code here, but what it's using is your variables, your sensors, and it's going to keep track. So now every time I shake, which is mimicking a step, it's going to go up. And you'll see it'll stop the animation and then it'll just keep track of wherever you are. So use your battery pack, hook it up to your microbit, download this, somehow attach it to your shoe, walk around, and see how many steps you can add up. Happy coding.